morning, everybody. I look like crap. The time is 10:45 in the morning. Today is the 23rd of December. Did not want to do Vlogmas yesterday. I noticed that when I do Vlogmas on couponing day, nobody watches it, so there was no point. Plus, I did not have time. I pretty much woke up, went couponing. I'm kind of going down to my slopes again on depression. And I realized the reason why I get all depressed is when my house is a mess. Now, I've had some negativity about my house, but you guys, I am a regular person. I might not be as perfect as you at housekeeping. I'm sorry, that's just the way I am. I rather, live my life than worry about cleaning my house. And, somebody's like, your house hasn't even changed, and I'm sorry, but you guys really hurt me when you do that. So then sometimes I don't want to share with you guys what is going on. Like, I like to be real with you guys and show you guys my life, but when I get people who sit there and say that, it's like I dwell on that comment, which I shouldn't. But it's like, you guys know what? Be an adult. Stop being like a bully behind your little computer and telling me what you want to say to my face. So, yeah. So, I am going to get dressed. I have to... Benjamin's playing with a toy. I have to get dressed. And then we're going to... I'm going to take the kids... I have to go to the Dollar Tree.
The line's coming.
I have to go to the Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to take Ben to McDonald's because there's a new play place that they just built, and I just want him to run a bunch of energy out of his system. And then when we get back, we're going to make cookies. Just make the dough is what I'm going to do because it's got to sit for a while. And then we're going to clean. Like, my house is a mess, you guys. It's not that bad, but I want my table to be 100% cleared off before tomorrow. So I just have to put a couple things away. But, I mean, it's just little things here and there. But, yeah. So I'm just kind of stressing out again. And I realize it's because my place is a mess. So... yeah, so I just need to get dressed, and I got to get motivated to get the heck out of this house. But yeah, so we're just going to clean. I'm going to get dressed. I already told you guys this. So we're going to show you guys a productive day. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do today, because I feel like I want to show you guys. And then you guys were asking about my cleaning videos. I might only do like a once a month cleaning video. It turned out to be too stressful to do it weekly when I did it last year, and people gave me a lot of hate. So, I'm not perfect. I'm just going to tell you guys that I am not perfect.
People hate me in the video.
Yeah. So I'm not perfect, and, sorry. So, right now, my goal is to clean my... I'm going to try to get all this cleared off completely. I got Christmas cards I got to put up on the wall. I got to put some candy away. Some of this stuff is like for Christmas. I'm going to clear off the kitchen table 100%. I'm going to put all the wrapping paper away and then just kind of fix up a little things here and there. But I've been really on Benjamin's case where if he doesn't clean up, I'm canceling Christmas. And I'm super close to taking that tree down. That's how mad I am right now.
It's cleaning.
Yeah, keep cleaning. So let's go get dressed, and I'll see you guys at McDonald's. Hey, you guys. So we just went to McDonald's.
We lost Ryan for a few
You got right. Okay. We went to McDonald's, and I was gonna record Ben and everything, but everybody decided to go to McDonald's at the same time. They just remodeled this place, and there was no seats to find a spot to sit.
And some kids take my Ryan.
Oh, but there was like no seats to sit. I had to sit there and wait for somebody to move. I'm like, everybody just decided to go to McDonald's. So I let Ben play. He did a very good job eating. I said, you go play, you come back and take a bite. So that's how I get him to do it. And he ate all of his food. And now he traded a toy with somebody at McDonald's because he had a double.
Lost Ryan.
And you lost Ryan. And I found some kid playing it, and then the kid walked away, so I took it, and then Ben didn't realize that was gone for like 10 minutes, and he was freaking out, and it's just like, sorry kid. So I'm gonna run to the Dollar Tree real quick because this one
really hate the Dollar Tree.
Ben really hates the Dollar Tree. I just want to see, because you never know what you can find. So we're gonna go to the Dollar Tree and then go chill out at home. You gonna show everybody what you got? Okay.
Oh, I only got 2, now I got 3.
Oh, okay. What are you gonna show what you got? I don't know what the guy's name is.
Guys, do you know it?
Yeah, Ben, I've only seen Star Wars like partially. I've never really seen the Star Wars series. Yeah, I know it's weird. But he's been into it, which is fine. I think I'm going to actually have him watch the movie sometime. So if you guys think a 5-year-old should watch Star Wars, let me know. So, okay. Hey you guys, so I am lounging on in my pants. I didn't even get half of my makeup on. It's 5:30. Charlotte's taking a quick nap because her whole schedule is off from this past weekend. But I am making Christmas cookies, so I got my butter in there, my sugar, and my milk. So I'm just going to kind of start turning this on. And then I add my flour last. So I got all my other ingredients right here. So I'm going to add salt. And then I got, can't remember what that is. I think it's the baking soda. Here I got some other stuff. And then I also add my vanilla. And then I'm going to mix this up really high. And then I'm going to add my flour. And then let it sit overnight. Hey everybody, so the time is 9:21. Both kids are finally asleep. I was cleaning up and picking up as much as I can. Ben made a little stair fort, but this is fine because it's just blankets. But Graham and I are watching the Packer game. He's upstairs. I'm downstairs. But I'm just going to call it a night. I got stuff I got to do. But tomorrow's the last day of Vlogmas. A lot of you guys were enjoying the videos. You know, I was busy like when I first started Vlogmas, but you know, now with, sorry, I'm putting the car seat back. Now with, you know, Christmas being around the corner, I just wanted to lay low. And the reason why is because I'm not trying to buy stuff that I don't need. I mean, I'm waiting for 90% off, which I'm going to try to not do as much stuff with that. But, yeah, so I just have a couple things left to just kind of pick up. Graham and I work better under pressure. So tomorrow I got to do some laundry. I'm going to have him help me clean up for at least 10 minutes when he comes back downstairs. But tomorrow we're going to make some Christmas cookies. We watch a family Christmas movie, so I don't know. I got a video for you guys to watch of Gina and myself. But other than that, I hope you guys have an awesome day. Yeah, see you guys later. Bye-bye.